Amerika Serikat sangat yakin dengan kesediaan Israel untuk melakukan gencatan senjata di Gaza dan kesepakatan pembebasan sandera yang ditetapkan oleh Presiden AS Joe Biden. Dalam konferensi pers, juru bicara Departemen Luar Negeri Matthew Miller mengatakan usulan tersebut hampir sama dengan usulan yang diajukan beberapa minggu lalu oleh Hamas dan menyerukan kepada pemimpin kelompok militan tersebut, Yahya Sinwar, untuk tidak meninggalkan usulan tersebut.
Identical to the one that Hamas submitted just several weeks ago, that they would not move the goalposts now and try to walk away from it. Endless conflict in Gaza in pursuit of some idea of total victory is not going to make Israel safer. So it is, in many ways, an incredibly diminished organization from the one that it was on October 7th. And we do not believe could conduct an attack anything like the scale and scope it did on October 7th. Now, it still poses a threat. Absolutely. Hamas launched rockets against Israel just last week, and Israel needs to continue to have the ability to defend itself against that threat.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.